Want to execute a PowerShell script on Windows? PowerShell scripts let you automate tasks, manage your system, and perform complex operations with just a few commands. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to run a PowerShell script safely and correctly. So let's get started. First, make sure you have a PowerShell script ready to run. PowerShell scripts use the PS1 file extension. You can create one in Notepad or Visual Studio Code, or use an existing script. Next, launch PowerShell 7 from the Start menu. If your script requires administrator privileges, right-click the application and choose Run as Administrator. Use the Set Location command, or simply CD, to move to the folder where your script is saved. CD home/desktop. Replace the folder path if your script is stored somewhere else. To run the script, type a dot, followed by a backslash, and then the script file name. My script, PS. After pressing Enter, PowerShell will execute the commands inside the script. If PowerShell blocks the script with an execution policy error, don't worry. You can allow locally created scripts by running the following command. Set execution policy scope current user remote sign type Y to confirm the change, then run your script again. Finally, check the output to make sure your script completed successfully. If you encounter any errors, read the error message carefully, correct the script if needed, and try running it again. And that's how to execute a PowerShell script on Windows. Once you understand how to navigate to your script, run it, and handle execution policy settings, you'll be ready to automate tasks with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.